Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox for beginners on mobile. First, you'll need to download the free Roblox app from your device's App Store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Once installed, open the app and either create a new, free account or log in if you already have one. Take a moment to explore the home screen. It's your central hub for finding games and connecting with friends. Now that you're logged in, let's find some fun. Head over to the Games tab, which is usually represented by a joystick icon. Here, you'll discover millions of unique experiences created by other players. You can easily filter games by genre, like adventure or simulation, or sort them by popularity. When you find a game that looks interesting, simply tap its icon to see more details, and then hit the green play button to jump right in. Once you're in a game, mastering the mobile controls is key. You'll typically see a virtual joystick on the left side of your screen. Use your left thumb to move your character around. To look around, simply drag your right thumb across the right side of the screen to control the camera. Tapping on objects or on-screen buttons will allow you to interact. Remember, you can always access the in-game menu, usually by tapping an icon in the corner, to adjust settings or leave the game. Roblox isn't just about games. It's also about expressing yourself and connecting with others. You can personalize your avatar with countless items, some free and others available for purchase with Robux. To socialize, you can add friends and chat with them directly within games or through private messages. Joining groups is another fantastic way to meet players who share your interests, whether it's building, role-playing, or exploring specific game genres. Have fun exploring.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.